Tocilizumab, a hard-to-find drug which can be used to manage inflammation, which can cause complications in COVID cases. Ideally, 400 mg of this drug should cost about rupees 40,500. But people from across the country have alleged that they either find it difficult to find the drug or that they've been asked to pay double or sometimes even triple the regular rates. Now with these allegations, the government has finally swung into action and they're trying to check hoarding and black marketing of these drugs.
We were trying here, there and everywhere because his case was deteriorating. So we checked with many distributors, but we came to know like it is very difficult to get that injection because of a huge shortage of the drug.
2 days ago, when a friend of Dr. Yogendra Gorpade, also a doctor, was prescribed the Tocilizumab injection after being tested positive for COVID, it took them close to 24 hours before they were finally able to procure the drugs which reduces inflammation. He is not the only one. Jan Swasthya Abhiyan's co-convener in Mumbai says there seems to be a shortage of the drug in many parts of the country.
There is evidence of shortage of Tocilizumab in Mumbai, and I'm sure the situation is similar elsewhere. The reason is that demand is now far outstripping supply.
The medicine can be made available if you're willing to pay a premium. After reports that Remdesivir was available on the black market at above market price rates, it is now Tocilizumab, another medicine used to manage COVID that has hit the black markets at exorbitant prices. Tocilizumab has been cleared by the government, saying it may be considered in patients with moderate disease with progressively increasing oxygen requirements and in mechanically ventilated patients not improving despite use of steroids. When 58-year-old John was prescribed the drug last month, his son had to drive almost 700 kilometers to Hyderabad from Chennai and back to get the medicine at a rate much higher than what the hospital had initially told him it would cost.
The hospital management told that they could get the medicine for us and the medicine will cost around 81,000 for a dosage of 800 mg. And after 4 to 5 days, the management told that they couldn't get the medicine for us as there is huge shortage for the medicine in India. I have gone through all the pharmacies in Chennai for around 7 to 8 days. And after that, I have got a private pharmacy contact in Chennai. And they has offered us Tocilizumab injection of 648 mg for a price of 92,672 as mentioned as MRP in the box itself. For that medicine, I have paid them in Chennai and I have to go all the way to Hyderabad to get the medicine.
But a few days later, when he tried to get the medicine for a neighbor, he says the price had increased further. Now, rupees 75,000 for 400 mg.
At the time, they were telling the price will cost around 1.5 lakhs for 800 mg. I was really shocked.
Dr. Yogendra in Kalyan, Maharashtra also said that they came across people asking them to pay almost double what the market prices of the drugs were before he was able to buy the drugs at regular rates.
While we were searching for this injection, we came across many distributors and many mediators. So the MRP cost of that injection is around 31,000, but we were asked to pay around 50,000 to 60,000 rupees for 400 mg vial of injection Tocilizumab, which is almost double of the actual cost.
We spoke to 3 different chemists in Delhi. All 3 of them told us on and off camera that the drug was not currently available and that the MRP of the drug was about rupees 40,500 for 400 mg.
आपके पास डॉक्टर का प्रिस्क्रिप्शन है तो वो मैं इंजेक्शन मंगवा सकता हूँ. अभी मेरे पास अवेलेबल नहीं है. उसकी MRP 40,500 कुछ है.
At a press briefing today, when asked about the black marketing of COVID drugs, the Ministry of Health said that the Drug Controller General had written twice to manufacturers of these drugs earlier this week with 2 specific suggestions.
First suggestion was that these companies must put in place a 24/7 helpline where the patients or their caregivers, family members, could contact in case the drug is not available in the market or is being overcharged. Second suggestion that he gave to these manufacturers is that they must proactively put on their website the details of their distribution network and their supply lines.
They also said that the Drugs Controller General had asked states to ensure that no COVID drug is being black marketed. Cipla, the sole Indian company that imports tocilizumab from Switzerland's Roche, has not responded to requests for comments. This is Mariam Alavi for NDTV.